So today we are going to recreate one of the questions from a customer of mine at a language institute called Silk Mandarin. Uh, they here we have a question that's going to test the students' reading ability. So for the instructions, we actually use two tools. We use the header tool and we use an example text tool to explain what they should do and then to show them an example of what they should do. For the question and a response, we're going to use a question response a tool that kind of combines the two together, which is the rearrange. Um, so the question here is, can you rearrange these tiles which are out of order? And if you arrange them in the correct order, then you'll get a complete sentence. So question and response are combined together. All right, so let's get started. We're going to go to the Compose Quiz tab, and then we're going to create a new question, and we're going to open up our notes and start with the directions, which we're going to use a header text for that. So the first part of our directions will be some text that we paste into the header. We'll set the heading to 2, and the second part will be the example text. Here, I put this under question or problem. That's wrong. It goes here. These two are basically combined. So here's our example. That's the example of the words out of order, and then here is the words that are arranged in the correct order. Save that. It's too small. So let's change it to heading 2. Let's change this one to heading 2 as well. Yep, that looks much better. And then I like to show people, I like to add a little styling to it to indicate that this is sort of like the question and this is the answer. Question is, can you rearrange these in the correct order? Okay, I think that looks much better. Yeah, that looks better. All right, now we're going to move on to the question and response combination, which for that we're going to use a rearrange text. Rearrange words. All right, so let's go in here. Now this portion here, disarranged, this is when the words are out of order, right? So it's the same as this question portion here. And then the arranged that's the answer, that's the correct order. So this is out of order, and we need pinyin for that as well. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. This is the out of order, and this is the pinyin, right? This is Hanzi, it's Chinese, so you need to have pinyin to go along with it. So you need to annotate the Hanzi with pinyin. So we'll paste that in here, and we're going to remove this, and we'll save it. All right, this looks good. We'll preview it. Okay, now I'm going to rearrange these a little bit and click submit, and boom, there you go. It shows you that you did it wrong, and it shows you the correct order. So that's it for the rearrange tool. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time in the next tutorial.